a bad place, so we're gonna take a hot girl walk. That means mental health walk, right? Yeah, okay. Let's walk it out, girly. You got someone on your mind, they're just stuck in your brain. I want you to dive it down, give me a spiral of sadness. Speed this up. Step it out, go. Five. You take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. Five. I can feel over here, I can feel over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Throw. Ever since the day you went away, reach and grab. How much more do I gotta drink for the pain? You did things to me that I just can't forget. Think about all the nights we were tangled up. Circle of sadness spiral. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Fast. Going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Step it out. Memories. You are being flooded by memories. Point it up, up, double point, good. Keep this going. Did you know that my dreams, they're all the same? Hit that note. Now pluck that person out of your brain, pull that last memory out, throw it on the ground and step on it. Take up every corner of my mind. Step. Your love stays with me day and night. Slide it out. I can feel over here. You take up every corner of my mind. One more time, then you're done. Slide. I can feel over here. I can feel over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? You're buying everything you see on ActiveBooty.com from left to right. Click right here to watch the official video and click right here to do our 16 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week. And we have a playlist called Workout by The Fitness Marshall on Spotify with all of our official picks and likes.